'cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave my
That's so funny, man. So I gotta get Madison ready. So we need a bib for her because she's Miss Spitty. She's Miss I don't know if it's cold outside, so I'm just gonna put her in a jumper. Yes, ma'am. You're gonna wear a jumper today and a bib. So I'm gonna get her ready and get out of here, get my husband some food because he's annoyed. He had to work double shift last night at his night job, so he got home at 2 and then he had to go to work at 4, so he only got 2 hours of sleep. So I need to be productive today, or else, you know, it's just gonna hit the fan and I don't want it to get all over me, you know. So I'm gonna do my part. I'm gonna do my part. Come get ready.
Huh? Me? Maddie?
Come on, Maddie. Maddie.
You can't see Maddie.
Come, Maddie.
You can't see Maddie.
Oh, go put your shoes on and your shirt. What did I say? Come on, help mommy. Help mommy help y'all. Do. Why are you looking at the camera? I don't even know if it's hot outside, but hey, looks like it's gonna rain, so I'd rather her be nice and warm than to be cold. Right, Mama? Hey, after all, it's still spring outside. Right, Mama? It's still spring! We can't wait for summertime. And she's ready. Say hello, sunshine. Say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So, I put my hair in a braid out. It's a mess. But I can't be bothered with my hair right now, so I will see you guys at the store. Okay guys, so I'm back. I couldn't record because I had the baby and a cart and a stroller, and yeah, she's over there sleeping, so I'm figuring I'll show you guys what I got. So for Madison, I got her Enfamil because I'm getting ready to start this cleanse, and I think I won't be able to produce enough milk, so I got her this big old tub of thing. I don't know if she's gonna like it, but yeah. And she loves her food, so I was kind of selective in what I chose for her because I realized that last time I chose some stuff and she didn't eat it. She didn't like the squash or anything, so I sticked with what I know she likes. So she likes the apples, raspberries, and acai. whatever. And she likes the banana, red berries, and granola. She likes bananas and blueberries, and I think I got a lot of bananas and blueberries because she loves bananas and blueberries. And then from the Appy Baby, I got her pears, mangoes, and spinach. Hopefully she likes that. This is a new one. And I got her apples, cherries, and blueberries. So hopefully she likes that. And I gave her some yogurt melts, and she loves these. Like, as you can see, I opened it in the stores to try her out, and she loves it. So I got her 2 packs. I got her the mixed berries and the strawberries, and then I got this to try with her, and it's just a sweet potato and pear. So we shall see how she likes that. And that was for Madison. Over here for Jaxson, because he's a snacker, he got some fruit roll-ups, he got some gummy bears, some more fruit snack, he got a zebra cake and Pop-Tart. He loves him some junk food. I need to cut him out soon. I need to cut that out. So for the older kids, I got some mac and cheese, and this is penne pasta for meatballs, when we do meatballs one of these nights. And then over here I just have some filet chicken thighs for dinner tonight. My husband wants curry chicken, and then I have 2 things of ground beef for meatball one of these evenings. And then so I bought for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. I still have to go back for Thursday, Friday, but whatever. And I got my husband a beef fillet, just so that's just for him. Wednesday the kids are having something else, and then because I'm on the cleanse, I won't be eating any of this. And then I got some carved chicken breast, just in case I can't do the 10 days and I have to substitute or add in a meal. I got these to throw on some salads or something, and these were $1.99, so they were originally $4.99. So yeah. And I got some eggs because my husband loved eggs for his breakfast. I got cucumber. I got 2 cucumber, and then I got avocado. I had 3. I don't know, I'm missing a bag. So I got avocado. I have this for the meatball on Tuesday, and I have banana for my cleanse, and then I have crunchy peanut butter for my snack, and then I got creamy almond butter. I got some stevia in the raw to make with my smoothies. I got some yogi detox tea. I got some mixed nuts for snacking. I got some big old bag of carrots for my snack. There go the other cucumber for my snack as well. Got some hard-boiled eggs for snacking. Got a bunch of fruits here, all kind of fruits here, and then I got this is what, celery and carrot for snacking. And over there is the kids whatever, the bread for the children. I have a bunch of apples here because I need apples for snacking and juicing. So I have a bunch of apples, and then I have some cashew, almond, and pistachio for snacking. Then I bought a deviled egg kit to make deviled eggs, and then that's just more sliced apples, well, just sliced apples. And then I have a bag of green kale, some mix, spring mix for my smoothies, and some baby spinach. So it's 2 of each. So that's that. And I'm out of oil, so I just got a bottle of canola oil for cooking my husband's dinner. So the fruits that I got were mango chunks, strawberries, and pineapple chunks. They didn't have any mango chunks just by themselves and stuff like that, so I got that. So yeah. Okay, so my chicken is done. My husband wanted curry chicken, so I made him curry chicken. And the white rice is here. I'm drinking my water, and I'm holding this little one. So yeah, I would think today was a productive day. I'm about to bathe this little one right here. I got a load of laundry going, and I just finished dinner. My husband is sleeping because he has to go to the night job, and I'm about to share his dinner. You ready to get up, Papa? You ready to get up? Your dinner is ready. I'm about to share his dinner, and he's about to leave us in like 20 minutes. So yeah, we're not gonna be able to spend no time with him today, as always. But I'm about to bathe this little one right here. Ready for your bath? You ready for your bath? You ready for your bath? Huh? Maddie. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Ready? So I'm gonna go bathe her. The kids are finished with their chores. Don't mind my hair. The kids are finished with their chores. There's no homework because they have testing this week. And that's it for today. So it's gonna be a very short vlog for Wednesday. So I'm sorry. That's all I could give you guys. I didn't do anything. I wasn't feeling well. And I tried to push myself. I did. I really did. And thank you guys so much for all of your encouragement. I love reading your comments down below on my last video. It was really inspiring, and it was really it was a little touching to know that, you know, I have a lot of subscribers that watch but don't comment, but when it's time for them to comment, you guys comment, if that makes any sense. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.